Hello everyone, my name is Anmol Trehan and I am a final year student. I study BA in Maths and Economics at Venkateshwara College, Delhi University. Uh, my life has been really a struggle, but Mystic Rekha, she has been really a fairy tale for my life. She has transformed my life as well as my family's life. My father, my mother, my relatives, they all are mesmerized by her. The amount of positivity she has put in her life has been amazing. She is really, I think, an angel for us. Over the years, she has transformed herself. I know her from like my birth. She is just amazing. She teaches how to live a life. Right from a student to a baby to everyone, old age people, everyone, she puts herself into the lives of the other people. The amount of work she does, it's commendable. The life she is living now, I can't even believe a person can live a life for others. She sacrifices her own aims, but now she has an aim for herself, to treat others. And I guess this is the best thing a person can do. She has a motive which very few people has. To live with a motive is the biggest obstacle which everyone loses in their life. But she has one. She's a grandmaster, she's a Reiki expert, she's a boon of positivity, and she's everything. I would like to share my personal experience with you. Our family was facing many financial problems, many other social issues, but when my father and mother started visiting her meditation sessions, it all transformed. From every negative point, they all started picking up the positive ones, and believe me, it all worked. Finding positives out of negatives is not an easy task. Like, she always gave me positive strength. I used to think negative, that my birthday comes on the 13th of February. 13th is a very unlucky number according to our society things. It is lucky, unlucky. So I always used to think like this: 13 is very unlucky, I'm unlucky, I'm not at all a good person. I don't know I'll be able to do something in life or not. But she always take it like, no, please, you will do it, you can, you have power, you are such a sincere student, hardworking. You just keep your focus and meditate. Think what you are doing at that particular moment only. And the amount of energy she passes on to a person, I cannot even share with my words. Now for the first time, she has written a book. Though she was writing from past 2 years, but she always has this idea in her mind that she wants to spread this message of positivity to every nook of the world. And now this is the book launch day, which is 23rd of April 2017. Hope so everyone will like her book. I have personally read it and I'm just speechless after reading it up. It is for everyone can read it, right from a class 7-8 student to a middle-aged people, or everyone can read it. So this book will spread her message not only in a particular area or something, but will spread on to every part of the country, and hope so in future in the world also. The positivity starts within the entering of the center in which she sits. The place where she operates from is a very holy place. The person when enters that particular place, he's completely surrendered by the positivity of that room. I don't know what powers, what magical things she has, because I know her right from the starting of my birth. So I don't know what she has now in her past few years, what she has done, that now she has that positive touch in herself. But when a person enters that particular room, the positivity starts from that room in itself. Then we sit. In her voice, there is some magic which completely changes the atmosphere. When she says, say Om Shanti, say Om, say Sai Baba is sitting with you, I guess that completely changes everything. Thank you so much, Mystic Rekha, my Rekha Bua, for changing my life, and I hope you all the very best for your future. Hope so you will achieve all your dreams of treating everyone equally with the positive mindset, and I hope slowly it will pass it on, and a day will come when everybody knows you and your secret power of treating people with positive strength. Thank you.